Hello everyone. In this session, now we are going to learn about prime numbers. In the previous class, you learned about natural number, whole number, integers and even numbers, odd numbers and prime numbers. So, in this session, what are prime numbers, how we can remember easy way, and when we can, what are the applications by using prime numbers, let us learn. So prime numbers, what are prime numbers? Why we are calling them as prime numbers? What is the importance of prime numbers? All these, now let us learn about prime numbers. First of all, what is a prime number? When it is called as a prime number? See, for example, let us write for example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, some other numbers also we can write. Here, 2. So 2 is divisible by what? So 2 is divisible by 1 and itself. So 2. Next 3. So 3 is also divisible by 1. 1 3s are 3, we can divide, and 3 1s are 3. So 3. Next 4. So 4 is divisible by 1 and 2. Because 2 2s are 4, so 4 can be divisible by 2. The next 4. Again 5. 5 is also divisible by 1 and itself. There is no other factors. Now 6. 6, what do we have 6? It can be divisible by 1. Again 2 3s are 6. So 2 is also factor and 3 2s are 6. So 3 is also factor and 6 1s are 6. So itself. Here, where you observe here, for example, these are the number and these are factors. So in these factors, please observe where we can see two factors. Here, yes, this one have only two factors. 3 is having only two factors. And 5 is having only two factors. So these are having more than two factors. This is also having more than two factors. So that what is a prime number means a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. Simply we can say which has two factors. That is called as a prime number. So you can see now the prime numbers between 0 to 50. What are the prime numbers? Then how we can remember them easily? See now from 0 to 50. So what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. How many are there? 4. So how many are there here? 4. The next again from 10 to 20, 11, 13, 17, 19. Because these they have only two factors. They will divide themselves and one is. Okay, so only two factors. These are also having 4. From 20 to 30, only 23, 29. 23, 29. So only we have 2. The next 30 to 40. Here also we have only 2. There are 31 and 37. The next from 40 to 50, you can see here 41, 43, 47. So 3 here. Therefore, so easy way to remember, there are 0 to 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. 10 to 20, 11, 13, 17, 19 and 20 to 30, 23, 29 and 30 to 40, 31, 37, 40 to 50, it's 41, 43, 47. So here we have 4, 4, 2, 2, 3. So double 4, double 2, 3. So the simple logic way you can remember 4, 4, 2, 2, 3. So in this way, if you remember, it is easy to remember for a long time. So these are the prime numbers from 0 to 50.
So you understand now what is a prime number? Prime number with only two factors, 1 and itself.
Composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Prime numbers means what? Which has only two factors is called prime number. Now composite number means which has more than two factors. More than two factors is called a composite numbers. So let us observe here. We know the number 2 and the factors 1 and 2. So this is what? This is a prime number. and it is also having only two factors, this is also prime number, and it is also having only two factors, so this is a prime number. So no other prime number. Now you see, what about the 4 then, which has 3 factors? Which has 3 factors means more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. So it is a composite number. You can see here 6 is also composite number, 9 is also composite number, and 10 is also composite number because they are having more than 2 factors. Which has more than 2 factors is called as a composite number. The smallest composite number is 4. So 4 is the smallest composite number.
Dear students, so I hope you understand about composite number, a number that has more than 2 factors. So we can see few examples of composite numbers: 4, 6, 8, so on so on. And you just remember about 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. And you have to